If you want to create a transparent background video in After Effects, you only need to set it up when rendering the project. For example, I've created a simple text animation like this. When creating a project, make sure all the layers in the composition are without backgrounds. To be sure, you can activate the toggle transparency grid. Once the composition is selected, go to File in the menu. Then select Export. In this tutorial, I'll be rendering this project in After Effects. So I will choose Add to Render Queue. Click Lossless on the Output module. In the Format option, select QuickTime. Then in the Channels option, select RGB plus Alpha. In Other Settings, just leave it as the default setting. And then select OK. This animated text video will be in .mov format. If you activate the proxy, it's a good idea to deactivate it first before rendering the project. After that, click Render. Wait until the rendering process is successful. And if it is successful, the video results will be in .mov format. So if your media player or device doesn't support the video format or codec, it won't play the video file. You have to download the codec file first, or open with using another media player like VLC. And now I'm going to import the video to Premiere Pro. If you look at the preview display, the background will appear black. In this tutorial, I'm going to insert a new layer matte for the background. And the result will be like that. That's how to make a transparent video background by rendering it through After Effects. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.